Beauty. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make two different setting sprays. So I was going to make this two different videos, but I was like, nah, let's just make it one video. So things that you're actually going to need is any type of oil. I have tea tree oil right here. If you want, you can also use a eucalyptus oil. Also, you can use a sweet oil. You can use almond oil. There's so many different types of oils that you can use. And you're going to need some glycerine if you want to use glycerine, and then you're going to need bottles, spray bottles, and obviously last but not least you're going to need some rose water. So rose water doesn't retail for a very high price. This bottle here was 10 rand, so I'm just going to split this bottle into two. So let's work with the big bottle first. Right here, I'm just going to take my rose water, put it in. So hopefully this should be enough for the next bottle. So let me just open this bad boy up so that we can put the rose water in this as well. Managed to get a full-on bottle right there. So the excess I'm just going to put into this bottle. See, one bottle literally created for me are two setting sprays. So in the big bottle, I'm going to put tea tree oil. Eucalyptus I don't like, it's a bit too strong for me. And then you're just going to put a few. I just put about 8 drops of oil in there. As you know, water and oil do not mix, so each time you use it, you're just going to shake it up. Obviously in here what you can do is just add a little bit of pigment so that everything becomes like a whole lot better. But this is what one setting spray will look like. You'll see the bubbles in there, but each time you use it, make sure you spray it, because you need it to get a little bit of grip and hold. So that's what the oil is going to do onto your face. You're going to get some grip and you're going to get some hold. Moving on to the next one right here. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of glycerine. So that's going to act as the hold. Ooh, that's a little bit way too much. Okay. And then I'm just going to close this one up. Right here, let me just clean it up to make it look a little bit more presentable. It smells like tea tree oil. And then what you're going to do is just shake this up, and then you're good to go from your first spray. Literally doesn't have any smell to it, but this one is going to smell a little bit like tea tree oil. That's why I advise you to use, let me just rub this in. I advise you to use a sweet oil or almond oil, since it doesn't have like a lot of smell to it. I just like my tea tree oil. But yeah, you guys, so that's it for today, and that's how you make my setting spray, and I'm going to love and leave you guys. Thank you for watching.